See how red my nose is? See the bump trying to come through? On top of all of this nice extra thickness, let's say, looking crazy. Okay, just wanted to show you this embarrassing moment, but I'm trying an experiment. My nose itches, sorry. See how red my nose is? See the bump trying to come through? On top of all of this nice extra thickness, let's say, looking crazy. Sports bra, sorry. Yeah, I have this huge red sore pimple trying to come in the middle of my nose, and I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Like, I can't catch a break. Unacceptable. So obviously this is all red. This is the bump here. This is all red because it's like swollen. It inflames. That's my baby. So I have put some apple cider vinegar and some tea tree oil. I'm going to pull it out so I don't knock everything down in the process. Just use some regular apple cider vinegar. I got this from Whole Foods. And some tea tree oil. I don't know where I got this from. Probably Whole Foods. And I applied both to the pimple. So this is day 1 on the 10th. It's my son's birthday, October 10th. And we're going to see what happens. Stay tuned. Pretty faces. Okay, so it is October 11th. This is the next morning after putting stuff on my face. Sorry, I have some face medicine that I put on my face. It's like acne medicine, as you can tell I need. And I'm debating if I'm gonna actually put like makeup on my face today, because just to cover this redness up, but it's not nearly as red. The bump is starting to come to a head. As you can see, it's ugly. But I'm gonna just go on about my business. What I am gonna do, because I am gonna get ready to go out, I'm gonna spray down this rat's nest to try to revive the curl that we had going. And I guess I also look kind of bad because of the lighting too, but it's getting better, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna spray down this rat's nest and just put some of the product in, our Curlsmith, the Weightless Air Dry, and the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream, just to give it some moisture because it's really dry again, but I haven't been maintaining it. I've just been hiding it in a bun. I just put some Eco Gel in my hair and just brushed it down, and then I'm gonna use this on the curly part, the girls with the curls, and yeah, use my pattern brush to brush it down. I have not washed my hair since our last meeting, last video. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Well, I'm going to be trying, because I've never used these before. My cousin said that it didn't work for her. Sorry, I did get them from CVS. But anyway, they're the Magnetic Liner and Lash by Ardell. So let's see if we can get this thing working. It says it's easy to apply. It's waterproof, it's long lasting, and it's paraben and latex free. And then it comes with like the magnetic gel liner, and I opened it up, and this is what it looks like once you open it up. Sorry, because I'm in front of a window. And so I just got out the shower. I washed my face, of course. Well, I'm not gonna say of course, because some people don't do that. But I do every day, several times a day. So it also comes with this application brush. Okay, the lashes aren't like stuck to the container. I see the little magnet. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see this. Excuse my nails. Quarantine. Okay. See the little magnets? It's like the darker part on the strip. So I guess that's what we're looking for. Let's see if you can see it better this way. See the little lines that are darker? That's the magnet. Okay. Let's get out this liner and see what it do. Hopefully I'm gonna like this because my cousin said hers just didn't stick. She was like, I don't know if I did it wrong or what, but it seems pretty straightforward, the instructions. So mind you, I'm not that great at this and I'm using the camera. Okay, going for layer 2.
You probably can't see. I can't even tell if it's all the way down, but it's here. And I think it's okay.
I don't know how this is gonna be with my mask, but we're gonna see. Let's see, let's try the other eye. If this would work, I would totally do this. Because I don't wear lashes. I used to get the individuals. But I'm super sensitive, so my eyes would be red. They would be itching. It just was not pleasant. Like, it looked cute, but not cute. So eventually I was just like, whatever. I'm not doing this anymore. It would be nice if they put this magnetic stuff in a pencil. Like, you know, or like a pen, almost like, you know, how you have the liquid liner in like a pen. That would be nice. But irritated. Yeah, so okay, again, let me go in the mirror. I figured it out. I use Estee Lauder Take It Away. Took it right off. The little excess. Off my fingers and everything. So, that's great. I actually kind of like these. Like, my eye was kind of like irritating. This one was feeling a little irritated at first. I don't know, maybe some of the makeup got down in it. But I'm feeling it. See the difference? As my son would say in this video, which I wish I could share with you guys, because he would die if I did, but I see your butt. Nice. Okay. So, I'm gonna put on, well, yeah, I could put on some lip gloss. So I just got one of those masks that's like plexi on the around the mouth, and then the rest of it is, you know, covered. It's material, fabric or whatever. I hate bugs, and I didn't get them. Can't stand them. I don't know why it went. But anyway, let's cover these lashes up. I like this little box. It's like pretty secure. I can put everything back. Boom. And then it says to put your lashes back in here when you're done. So I'm kind of feeling that. And I'm just going to put it back in this box because I just want to keep it together with the instructions until I get used to it. But anyway, yeah, these are the lashes. You see like a little bit of a difference. I'll probably put a little bit of, I don't even know if I need to do all that because this is just already doing something. But I probably put a little eyeliner to give myself some wings. And yeah, I'm probably not going to cover up this monstrosity right here. But here, we'll just do this. Just imagine me without the red nose and the scars. Not bad, huh? I like it. So yeah, I'm probably not going to wear a whole lot of makeup because I have a mask on and I don't like to see makeup on inside of people's masks. I was watching the conversation, and I'm not going to name any names, but somebody put their mask on, or they were putting their mask on, and I saw like a whole bunch of makeup stains on the inside, and I was like, girl, you need to wash that. Like, that's not cute. So I'm not going to do that. So yeah, and then plus it's like makeup clogs your pores and all that, and as we can see, I really can't afford for that to happen right now. I don't need that. But you will see me like, you know, doing it up, just not right now. So yeah, this is it. This is the look. You can see like, you know, when I stand back a little further, I know that looks, I hate seeing toilets, so I'm sorry. Just act like it's not there. But yeah, these are the lashes. Let me give you a side view. Anyways, a little bit more. You would think that I don't have chapstick on from this camera, but I really do. So I don't know what's going on there. The lighting just doesn't look good. Like when I move my face back, then you can see all my fat on my neck. When I move my face back, it doesn't look as bad. So maybe it's just like too close, and then with the lighting, the way it's hitting my face, it's messing things up. But anyways, these are the lashes, and thanks for spending time with me. Until later, stay cool, pretty faces.